guys, it's Andrea here. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know who I am, hey! Go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can join the fam and be part of the fun. Okay guys, so as you can tell by the title, today I'm going to try one of Jackie Aina's looks. I love Aunt Jackie, so Aunt Jackie, yes, because she is my fairy godmother. For those of you who don't know, she's the reason why my makeup matches. She's taught me so much. I just love that she knows the science and chemistry behind the makeup. Alright, so let's just get straight into the video. See you guys next time. Video's playing over here, so I'm gonna watch and then do, hopefully. Okay, so she's priming right now. So I'm just gonna prime.
Start with the primer. I'm gonna be using the NARS Porn Shine Control Primer.
Okay, so she's putting on a powder. I guess like a setting powder. Yeah, it's like a baking powder. He has just taken that. She's applying it pretty much the center of her face. She's not really baking this. It's like legit patting it in her skin. She's just going with foundation. Using her NARS All Day Luminous. Is this it? I do have that foundation. Wait, actually no, I don't think I'm gonna use this. This is too dark for me. I forgot to return this. Rihanna! Rihanna. Okay, so Jackie always uses a brush to do her foundation. So I'm going to use my Sonia Kashuk brush. Now she is going to contour. Okay, so right now she's contouring. So I'm going to take my matchstick and truffle. She's putting on a concealer.
79 brush. I'm just tack it. Bam. And apply that under my.
What am I blending out first? I think I'm doing the contour first.
Right? From the outside in. So that it looks more.
So she said blend from the outside into the center. Blending for a while. I'm so tired of blending. Blending is your best friend in makeup, but I'm so tired of blending right now. My arm is tired. I think it's just because I went out last night, right? And I'm filming this video today. I didn't go home until this morning. 2018, we're making moves, so I'm doing a lot of videos. Trying to be very consistent on my channel. I'm giving you 2 videos each week. If you have any video suggestions, right now would be a great time to comment them down below in the comment section, okay? L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow in the color Cream
Extra
Cafe.
highlighting, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury The Retoucher Stick in shade number 9. Gorgeous. Gorgeous for under eye, but like it's so pretty. This isn't like the bright.
Okay. Let's keep blending, guys. Blending. I had a teacher in high school, but she used to just say like factor a lot. Factor. If you guys went to high school with me, comment down below which teacher that was. Factor.
Back to the evolution powder. I'm going to go ahead and set the under eye area and my forehead, center my face.
So she put up the X, you know, because she's iPhone 10, but Wakanda forever, alright? Right here. I'm gonna take this color, this one here, and put that on my eyes. I'm just gonna use Red Orchard. So it's not really, maybe Venetian Red. I'm gonna mix the 2, I think. The pencil brush, she's smoking it out, so do I have it? Flaming Femme from the MAC collection. This one's Mischief Minx. So I'm just blending it in. So usually I would do my transition color first. What type of eyeshadow is to pray. Alright, that's the first step of doing eyeshadow. Pray. And then blend for your life. She has like really popping lashes, so I'm just gluing my favorite lashes. Line break. Okay, so I'm gonna dust off this setting powder because it's been on my face for like 20 minutes. This makeup tutorial is not for beginners. This is not a beginner-friendly makeup tutorial. Take my bronzer. Wait, is this how she does it? I gotta see. I'm feeling this look, guys. I'm feeling it.
Check it. Me. Peachy, so I'm gonna take Rose Bureau.
She over here talking about blush. Y'all know I don't really mess with blush, but I'm gonna use Petal Powder from MAC. It's kind of peachy goldish, like rose goldish. So I smile. If I'm gonna put on blush, I gotta smile so I know where my cheeks are. Yeah, I see it. It's pretty, but it's not my thing. Okay, so I think right now she's adding Le Peach or LeBron, which I don't have Le Peach or LeBron, but it's a loose highlighter. So I'm going to use my MAC pigment in the color Pan. Oh, and just pat it. I like how extra that is, because I'm an extra person. I did that one right into the take a little bit. You see if that shows up. Yeah. Can you guys? Oh yeah, you can. So I'm just gonna keep going over the black liner. So I feel like it's dark enough.
I really wanted to do this like red ombre stacked look. I've just been into that look lately.
Oh, I have a burgundy plum red. So this is from Bite Cosmetics. This is the color Cranberry. So use it like a lip liner. Going for our ombre look, so we're gonna do that.
My lips, basically filling in the gaps or anything to red left off.
What is this? Grunge from ColourPop. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of that one here. Let's brown it out a little more. That was Grunge from ColourPop. Okay guys, so that's it for today's look. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And if you didn't get the chance to already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. For those of you who are subscribed to me and tune in weekly, thank you so much. I appreciate every single one of you. I couldn't do this without you, so I love you guys. See you later.